Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Easter egg balloon bouquet in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new event that called Wonder Egg Hunt, and in here you need to collect any eggs that you can collect near the central square. And to get this Easter egg balloon bouquet, you need to find 2 resident Easter eggs in total. So just go to the central square over here. It's located on here, and then next just search for the 2 Easter eggs, resident Easter eggs. And if you don't know how to get these Easter eggs, you can just check the link in the descriptions or check the playlist, check the Heartopia playlist in this channel to watch the tutorials to get the Easter eggs. And after you successfully collect 2 Easter eggs, you can get the balloon bouquet like this. Easter egg balloon bouquet like this. And I think it looks so cute with the 3 balloons like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.